Hey, it's Luana and I'm here to show you the young adults gotta cook. Today's video was requested by a fellow YouTuber by the name of Simple Woodworking. I'll leave a link to his YouTube in the description box down below. He actually requested for a full Korean meal. However, I don't know very many Korean dishes, but I do love kimchi soup and that's what we'll be making today. So without further ado, let's get started. We'll need kimchi, vermicelli noodles, pork belly, gochujang or red chili paste, soft tofu, daikon, some scallions, ginger, garlic, pork bouillon, my favorite, of course, pepper, and salt. As you can see, I bought skin on pork belly, and if you did too, just take the skin off and cut the pieces into 1-inch cubes. Generously season your pork with salt and pepper and set it to the side. Then we're gonna slice our ginger nice and thinly and crush and peel our garlic. Just like my chicken long rice video, I keep the tops and bottoms of my green onion separated. You can cut the daikon however you'd like. Slice it, dice it, just definitely make sure you peel it. This isn't necessary, but I like giving my kimchi a quick rough chop. The last step is to dice up the tofu. Just be careful because soft tofu is very fragile. In a hot pot with no oil, add your seasoned pork and let that sear. When the pork is looking nice and brown, add the green onion bottoms, ginger and garlic, and saute that up for a bit. The next step is to add the water, pork bouillon, then cover it and bring it to a boil. When the soup comes to a boil, we're going to add the gochujang paste. You can add as little or as much as you'd like. Just like my chicken long rice video, we're going to remove the ginger and the garlic from the soup. After that, we're going to add the kimchi and the vermicelli noodles. When that comes back up to a boil, add the Daikon Radish and let that cook until it's tender. Right before the soup is finished, add in the soft tofu and the green onions and bring it back up to a boil. Just let all the ingredients kind of get to know each other. And there you have it, folks. Hot and delicious kimchi soup. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because we're going to be starting a brand new series that's all about Hawaii's plate lunches and you're not going to want to miss it. Aloha and I'll see you next Friday.